Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your HP 255. To turn off your laptop, you can either open the Start menu, then go to Power Options and select Shutdown or Update and Shutdown if you have the update pending, or if your device is frozen you can force shut down it simply by holding down the power button of your computer. Keep holding it until your screen goes off. And then you can restart your computer by short pressing this power button once again in a couple of seconds. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.